What's up, guys? So I ordered these Nike Explode Strada sneakers from Mintra. So let's go and check that out. Okay, so this is how the box looks. The standard Nike packaging, as you can see. Just a little information about the brand, and this is the original price, basically 4,995, but I purchased it for 3,000. Okay, special packaging. I think because all the reviews that I read from online, all the reviews and the videos I saw, they didn't have this special kind of packaging. So let's just go and unwrap this. Ooh, looks nice. Looks neat. This is what I love about this. This rubber console is what I love about this the most. Okay, this is how the product looks. The sole. I like the design and the finish, to be honest. Looks really nice. I'm gonna wear these shoes and show you how it looks on feet. Okay, so this is basically how it looks on the feet, as you can see. Let's go and show you all the angles. It's very flexible, to be honest. Looks amazing, feels amazing.